Let's start our discussion of opportunity costs of an example. Let's say my friend John had a special offer where he got to see the premiere of Harry Potter at no monetary cost to him. That means that he didn't have to spend a single dollar to go watch his movie. However, in econ, we don't always think about cost as only money cost. That is, do you think watching the movie was really free? In fact, the movie was not entirely free in the sense that he had to give up something in order to watch the movie. In this case, he might have had a math test. If he watched the movie, then he didn't have those 2 to 3 hours to study for his math test. Consequently, he might have done poorly on his math test the very next day. In this case, he spent time which he could have used to study for his math test, but rather went to watch a movie. His opportunity cost of watching the movie is the time he lost. Let's go over some definitions now. Opportunity cost is the value of the best foregone alternative. And as I have just stated, in this case, the best foregone alternative was studying for his math exam, so his opportunity cost was the time that he spent. Notice that opportunity cost is defined as the value of the best foregone alternative. If you had a lot of alternatives, like he might have been able to go eat a dinner, study for his math exam, or go shopping, his opportunity cost would be the value of the best of the three, which in this case I assume was studying for his math test. So, to summarize, even though he did not spend any real money on the movie, watching the movie still cost him the time that he cannot regain. And because ideally you would want to both watch a movie and study for the test, but you cannot do that because you only have so many hours in a day, time is what we would call a scarce resource. There are many kinds of scarce resources in life, such as time, as seen from our example, money, as also seen from our example, or things like land or labor. In econ, we use opportunity costs to decide how we can use our scarce resources. Going back to our example, the scarce resource was time, and my friend decided to go watch a movie because he thought that this allocation of his time would give him the most benefit. And this is really the core idea behind opportunity costs. Opportunity costs help us allocate scarce resources.